April the 6th, 2024, 1220 Peachtree Boulevard. I call it Peachtree Industrial. Heading into town. We're going to go up here. We're going to catch Windsor Parkway. 285 was backed up. We're going to catch Windsor Parkway and cut across. I don't know if we'll go down Roswell Road. We don't have that, but there'd be a lot of traffic. Go down Roswell Road and get back on 285, or whether we just go all the way to Windsor Parkway, Mount Perrin, and then pick up 75 north. We don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're hungry. We'd like to get something to eat. What do y'all want? I can't hear you. Shout it real loud so I can hear. We could go out to Ashford, Dunwoody. I probably don't have that video, but then that's going to get us right up into Hammond, that area, and I don't want any part of that for today. I think he's preaching. As I've just mentioned, the email project that I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about hitting send all on a couple of emails that I have had for 30 years, literally. And just see what kind of response I get back. What are you doing now? The thing is, probably most of these people probably don't have the same email. The ones that do, the spam folder will probably pick it up. This could be a nightmare, a huge project, or it could be zero project. Gas, $3.49. I think we've got plenty of gas. We have to check with our speedometer now. Our gas gauge is so wacky. It's showing 91 miles. If we hit the odometer correctly, we've got plenty of gas, but and the fuel gauge is showing that would be about right, but I'll say the fuel gauge has got messed up. It goes from slap full to slap empty. Windsor Parkway, that's what I'm thinking about. I can never remember the name of this road. I've cut across this road a blue million times coming back or going across to Cobb County, to avoid 285. Is this where we turn, or is it the next one? I think it's this one. There again, it's been so long I can't remember these things anymore. Used to be down here. I know y'all get tired of hearing me say it. Used to be down here all the time. I think it may have been the next one. I don't think this might. I don't think this is it. It is right down here to the left. This will take us to Roswell Road. We'll do a little side step and hit Mount Perrin, or either we'll go down Roswell Road to 285. Work off of this road. primary business for about 12 years now. Boy, I tell you what, time gets by. Still going on down here. A lot of these older houses still getting pushed down. They have created a roundabout here. And this intersection right here, now I've told this story before, but coming in and out of here, right here at this intersection here, I have been propositioned for sex and or drugs, no telling how many times. Back when, before all of, you know, what, at the beginning of this development, or when all of this first started being developed. I even told one of my friends that I went to school with, the DeKalb County Police, told him about it, and he said, yeah, we know about that place. Three of my friends that I graduated high school with probably retired from DeKalb County. One of them, I know at least one other worked for DeKalb County. Yeah, Steve, he's over in Alabama. I think Ben, Doug, and Ronnie. I think Ben, Doug, and Ronnie may have retired from DeKalb. I think Steve got wise and got out ahead of time. Got into something else and did real well, I think. I know. I think Steve watches a lot of my videos, so shout out to Steve. I still got to try to get down and see y'all. Just hadn't made it yet. Okay, Peachtree Dunwoody. We could turn here, but we're not gonna. We'll go all the way through Mount Perrin, catch 75 north. Well, we'll have to hit 41. Yeah, there's not a ramp on Perrin going north. You can get off from the 75, but you can't go north. There used to be a house right here on the left, right here on the other side of the creek. And the creek kept eating away the bank more and more, and then it almost ate the house up. I guess the county, somebody finally bought it. They've got walking trails or something other right here. City Springs Community. Huh. around the mail truck. Ha! Yeah, there's still some houses along here that haven't been bought up, rebuilt, or built new on. We'll come up here to Roswell Road, turn right, go down, turn left on Mount Perrin. Unless we wanted to go by Ansley Mall now, or not Ansley. What's the name of that place? Chastain, go by Chastain. Chastain will be crowded. We're not going to go that way. We're going to turn right. Left or right at Roswell Road. We're going to go right. And I think that'll end this video because we've already got going across Perrin. We may get a separate one going across Mount Perrin.